If you're here, it's probably because you're thinking about upgrading the washer jets on your 120 Prado to the much improved Hilux washer jets. And if that's the case, do it. You will not regret it. So the original washer jets only have 2 streams, so you don't get a very good spread at all. They're pretty bad. Whereas the Hilux washer jets, you get a much better spray and just much better coverage. Good news is to replace them is really, really simple. The old washer jets have 2 tabs, so one on the front, one on the back. They're just spring-loaded plastic. And to pop these out, all you need is a piece of string or a piece of twine. You slide the string in under the front of the washer jet first, pop that spring off, slide the string into the back of the washer jet, and then pop the back off. And then you can simply just lift the washer jet up, pull the hose off. Be very careful not to let the hose go, otherwise it will disappear into the bonnet and it's quite difficult to get back. And then put the hose on the new washer jet and simply click the new washer jet into place. It is really that easy. And it's exactly the same process for the second one. And voila, you are all done. It is that simple. It really is. This is by far the best cheap mod you can do for a 120 Prado. Once you swap them, you will not look back. The washer jets I bought were from eBay. They cost around $40 delivered. They were labeled as genuine Toyota Hilux washer jets. They came in genuine packaging and they work really well. If you found this video really helpful, and I truly hope you did, you can show your support by giving the video a thumbs up. Or if you're really appreciative, you can buy me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com. Link in the description. Good luck.